Welcome everyone to the second video of a series of videos that will cover the basics of stock investing. In this video, I will address the questions: what is a publicly traded company and what is the SEC? So a publicly traded company is any corporation that wants to sell its stock directly to the public in the stock market. To be a publicly traded company, a corporation has to register with the SEC, that is the Security and Exchange Commission. The SEC is the governmental body that has the duty to protect investors by regulating the publicly traded companies and enforcing those regulations. Once the corporation is registered, a ticker symbol is given to the corporation and the stock is available in the stock market to be sold to the public. One of the SEC's regulations: publicly traded companies have to file annual and quarterly reports with the SEC, and in those reports, you can find the company's financial statements. In addition to that, the financial statements have to be audited by an external auditor to eliminate any accounting fraud. To view these reports, go to the SEC website, sec.gov. From the top right, click on the company filings link, and then put the ticker symbol in the search bar and hit search. In a later video, I will talk about the different reports that publicly traded companies have to file with the SEC, while in the next video, I will talk about the shareholders, major shareholders, and the board of directors. If you like this video, please subscribe and hit the like button.